Relax. I can smell him for. I smell him for. Don't eatable. Stop licking me. Y'all don't know it's your boy Desh original. DeshAloof. I'm the gully guard. I'm gonna shot in front of you. All we going in the bush. Last time we come for the bush. Surely the boss donkey and the boss donkey and follow me. I know. We're gonna gas us up. Check. Them cheaters are real ants on it, but I can take and start a thing and see what you see in there, man. Come on. Madness. Yeah, that's what's up on the party. So this part of the mountain, we call up here Momoto. You understand? I kind of bad boy name. I don't know how they come out with the name. You gotta ask grandpa name, you know? That if grandpa know but.
Appearance boy.
Yeah, well. You see footprints. So you don't even know how the real name even come about. Really and truly. And I can't ask that man day, new to the community. Yeah. You know what else called bananas? Nah, not make tree right here, so. Yeah, some are open up already, some are closed. Watch one right here. Again one right here, seen it. Yeah. Bangins.
Full of
Uh-huh.
one food too, you want to
So my grandfather have a whole bunch of sheep. So he dive out again, take care of them sheep and them like. What's your flock?
4, 9 of them.
What's a 9 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 day and you have 1 day. Make it 9. Tell her for me see something. And then the sheep will let me touch them by. You ain't fine?
The wild one.
Be wild. Yeah, why them sheep and see man running by ugly boy. Wrong girl. How old is that like a white one here? Man. Like a baby sheep we see in the apparently not even a month yet. If you really making the money and things like that in the bush, boy, and the owner a Tesla come in the bush with your Tesla?
I mean, so I mean do not to drive. That's just a name
No, I mean
and a brand.
you put bush in your Tesla, boy?
And man just play job with Jordan and Gucci and Prada.
That difference something.
Yeah, but I come in the bush with my Tesla. Yeah. Any one of them. Man want make it.
That whole bunch of sauce of trees and things.
Coconut.
Over there, so. All that cheese on me. All that sauce of cheese, boy. That dam's a cherry, aka sour cherry tree. We know we see coconut. And there's the worst mango in the whole world right here. Julie mango. Oh. What you got, hold on? Yeah, coming. You can power back. Yeah, how you call this so. You pull in here? Want help her? There you going?
You hungry too? I want to see belly.
Uncle ever see when he young got a cow run behind him?
Yeah.
You mean by running for my life too, eh? See how big that kitchen item is, eh? You don't get too comfortable and come play a coming close, eh?
And you don't go behind it.
You just kick back. Yeah, man, she busting all that. Slack the chain a little. Depending she pull it.
Up to come in. No down.
Look at the little one over there, man. Look at the little one over there. He over there, he over there. Yeah, let's see, they better cover this, so. Understand? Hey, I know that, you know that little kid. See, I come in the bush, boy, turn Rasta, man. Rasta, man, sure and sure. Come, move. Move back, man, get a big punch, you know. Move. Back, man, girl. Come, I do nothing. Back, man. You want to lick me? Lick me? Back, man. Yeah, back, man. Come. I ain't doing nothing. Why? You like me, man? You mangling race. That cow remind me of them dog and them, eh? Them people pet it. So we don't tie the cow, you know. When I meet Mr. Gully, give it a good, you know. Do it, man. Lead the way. There you get it.
Yeah.
So follow. Some peace tree. Yeah, look at Mr. Gully, get you know. Man, that good drink, man. Ring that good drink, sir. Oh, that good drink, so boy. Yeah, that's what's up.
I see that hide it down.
Alright. Ring that good going, sir.
See what I go to kill her inside of it.
Good one, me and I got to give you some service.
Get you over.
Yeah, hold it. You do well. Watch. You like so much of a woman, man. You? You too thirsty. Yeah, hold it.
Coco small. You put the hand here.
Tank and bin to put in kick and things.
I'm going to ask you that water, but I realize it's too big.
Tank and bin, put it in kick.
Mm-hmm.
Has give kick nice flavor.
So I like passing through the garden. And what you see up here? A panty, you know. Oh, somebody come and bust some waters up here, boy. But clad.